What's up guys, welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delightful and much interesting video here on the channel. This one is from the Cubana with Broda Shaggi and others. You know, Obi Cubana, everybody always respect the first child, and to that respect, his first ever Cubana in Abuja was closed. He closed it for renovation, and yesterday they opened it back again, and it was a complete fun feel, and that's the highlight I'll be bringing to you here in this video. Please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment in the comment section. Value your thoughts and your comments here a lot. Now, Obi Cubana, anything he puts his hand into is always a lifestyle, and you know, he's someone who connects with everybody, relates with everybody. He knows how to take everybody in the industry together, bring them together and make something beautiful. Also, that yesterday some of his friends celebrated the birthday. I'm talking of like Vintage Interior. Yesterday was his birthday, even a lot of others. Enjoy the highlights. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment in the comment section.
Chama.
Lagos, Port Harcourt in Lagos.
Yes,
Abuja.
Pay attention to details, the big man.
Worried there.
That's really gonna hot. The one, we're outside. We're outside. That's a luxury PA.
Don't walk, you don't try. You supposed to be jai. Kill up, come, you come, person, matter, person, we don't mind.
Yes, what? Oh, Benwa. The boss. Babex. The Prime Minister.
You don't see Wahala give
Mrema Rugonidan. Ezugo. Wale Nyansobu. Ezugo. Bob me. Let me just drink and compensate myself. Hey.
Obi Cubana, this is the boss. He's about to win. Shutdown now.
Happy birthday! Oh my God,
This is Cubana. I'm a party like Cubana party. He comes to Nasa Resex. Malarucho. Oh my God. You're my nigga.
That's a big
Here we go, practice more. Come on. He comes to my chair. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
evening out there. It was all a very complete fun feel. I don't really need to tell you, from the videos you've seen now, at least you're convinced that anything the Cubana actually put their hands into is always a hit. And yes, that's a fact. That's a fact that whatsoever they do lifestyle, complete lifestyle. You could see that everywhere inside this particular restaurant is actually customized, from the chairs to even the walls and everything, with the name Cubana. This is the first one, so everybody always respects the first son, and they see him like the head of the rest of other children. And that's how I feel this particular one is to Obi Cubana. And to all the friends who celebrated birthday yesterday, everybody was fun, feel loved, and cheerful to come out that yesterday night to celebrate with the boss himself. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Don't forget to also share this video and also like it. Give us a thumbs up. Enjoy.